Deputy Chief Minister overseeing home prisons, Sniawbhalang Dhar, revealed on Tuesday that the government is yet to decide on the location for the new central jail. Initially, plans were for it to be in the new Shillong township, with an agreement signed between the Home Jail Department and Urban Affairs Department for relocating Shillong District Jail. However, considering advice to avoid objections, they are exploring isolated areas for a suitable location away from the city. Sniawbhalang Dhar, also in charge of urban affairs, emphasized that the new Shillong jail will meet central jail standards, requiring 25 acres for construction. Upon relocating Shillong District Jail, the land at Jail Road will be developed. Dhar has additionally requested the completion of Nongstoin Jail to ease Shillong District Jail congestion and sought a report on reinforcing jail security, including CCTV installation and additional manpower to prevent jailbreaks.
We are yet to get a new land, so the process of identification is still on, because it has to involve all this pollution, burn, all these things in some other place. So we are yet to acquire actually, if there is no more disturb from the public. One, you see, if we get a new landfill, and the old one will be fully developed as per the guideline of the thing is the government only. Dengan simukti ke jail, ngila ada belum review ngila orang yang bikin submit ke ai rectify ni verification dia mapan bah kum CCTV kum cek tu lah kila apa proposal man don kita ban strengthen ke main ke CCTV berarti main strength ro itu kila ngila apa cek finance man sanction dia ni additional stuff naman like kan ka dia si mama kamu don duna tu ni tak kita don nam dia nama don ki post ba song thaj ba yap haning impar recruit pat dia kata ni ayo insyaallah dia agreement ada sign berokot ya pada gaji jail department berkorban everything has been done ada pembeli the gaji mud dengan bandra no seceka sorkar seni Shillong tang not yet finalized namari na don gaji perkat yo bo seni Shillong stay yo hadin ka to ni hap kerja biang te kata don ba jemut ba nin si epek ba kan no right place kemudian perkat dia kata it's better kalau kampanye madong ibu hanu si hadin san proses habra biang nak kata kadau ngila de yok cekak ba kampang ngila ban bu kam saruk kendien kalau ba bahadur ya kasih tijong ni barok oi kini no dia decided lap long lap bende kecil di lap bende jo cekak urban lap bende no problem tangin ya wat cekak ngimpat finalize okay ke jing mujung hi na sudah usi review meeting habarok ini smart city project kat belum ni kuat man pendep hapo jo nusna 24 kan kat kembali kan lain pendep maga barok cekak long progress hakabade begini total 17 more or less all the smart city project kibun sadu 17 all the 17 is under progress. Some of them are already completed, some of them are 80-70% is completed, but the work is full progress, is very smooth. Don gajing problem kendian namar ba kini smart road menuju ke Porsche namar ba ke nambaron ke bakim plaka jaka hap kerja ikat baik ngidang mood bagian diga dok channel ke juga don involve lang ban PHE involve lang ban MSCB ya kini bentang ngidang mood ban song meeting next week join meeting with the PUD with the urbans madon cekak ba semjing sudah ba kimbal surok ada ti yang tu menong sebanyak kali madon ni katukat ni marki bangi ham modification dan kata ka daw ka kam slow ni ka smart city project kan dia bede ka smart road